Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super easy, super quick hairstyle on my blown out 4C hair. Truthfully, you could do this on your natural 4C hair, but I'm trying to get rid of the hair that I have in my closet so I can dye my hair. I want to go ginger, and I told myself I need to get through my hair bin, at least get through one of my hair bins before I, make that change. So here we are, and get ready for all of the natural hair content. It is coming, y'all. It is coming. So let's get right into it. Seasoned elder. I'm a seasoned elder. Do y'all be plucking your gray hairs? Because I feel like I need to start. Somebody told me not to do it because then more will come up. But I'm already like, the person that probably said that is the person that's probably causing me the stress that's making these pop up anyway. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what y'all be doing with these grays, because it's not giving, honey. Not another gray? Wow. I have multiple grays. That's crazy. First things first, I'm going to brush out any kinks in my hair so I can make sure that it lays super flat when it's time to put in a ponytail. I'm going to part each section of the zigzag, and I'm doing this partially in my new 3-way mirror that I got from Amazon. And when I tell y'all, it makes all the difference when it comes to parting. Like, it really does. I'm going to link it down below for you guys, so make sure y'all check it out in the description box. It is a must. Even though I'm not a braider, I feel like this is going to make me one. I don't know. The great part about this style is it involves no cornrows. So for my braiding impaired sisters, this is for you. I've been seeing this hairstyle all over my IG, Pinterest, etc. But y'all know I am not the best braider out here. So we're going to be doing this style using flat twists. Or I guess not using flat twists, but just doing flat twists. Yeah, y'all know what I'm trying to say. And for the parts, to make sure they're extra crisp, I'm using my handy dandy edge booster. And y'all, make sure you're using the one for coarse hair. There's like 3 different types. You need to get the one for coarse hair. All right, maximum hold. That's what we want. Now, this is not a tutorial for how to flat twist, because truthfully, sometimes I don't know how to do it for real. Like, I didn't show it in the video, but I did the first one at least 2 or 3 times before I actually was like, okay, yeah, this kind of looks okay. And sometimes I flat twist in opposite directions depending on how my fingers are feeling. I don't know. Mind your business if you see that, because I'm pretty sure I did braid, or not braid, I'm pretty sure I flat twisted in opposite directions in here, but we're just gonna ignore that. I also wanted to make sure I show you guys this in real time. I feel like flat twisting shouldn't take long, but for me, I just feel like it takes me almost the same amount of time as it does to braid. I'm just glad I have this mirror now, because if it took me this long, plus I had to part in just a regular mirror, we would have been here all night. The key tip is to try to pick up the hair for your twists in small sections. I feel like that makes it look neater. Plus, it makes it last a little bit longer. Whenever my twists are super chunky, I find that they frizz up or look bulky after like 1 or 2 days. Also, try to make the twist as tight as possible, and you can do that by making sure you apply tension while you're twisting. If you let go or take a break and go halfway through your twist and then know what I mean when you let go of the twist, that thing starts puffing up like it don't got no sense. All right, so make sure you just apply as much tension as you can. Obviously not enough to rip out your hair, but just enough tension so you know that twist is not going anywhere. Now, it's gonna loosen up a little bit, but we just don't want it to be loosey-goosey. Y'all know. Once I get done flat twisting, I switch to braiding the end so the twists don't unravel too much. I'm also pretty tender-headed, so I take my time when it comes to flat twisting, when it comes to braiding, when it comes to anything having to do with my head, because it hurts, all right? I don't know why, but my head is just like so freaking tender. I don't know why. And this is what you should end up with when you're finished. The parts aren't perfect, but y'all know I don't be parting like that, so this is pretty good, okay? Now, with any protective style, make sure to moisturize your hair, oil your scalp, whatever your hair needs. You don't need to blow out your hair for this style, but if you do end up blowing it out, make sure to put that moisture right back in, or it's not going to be protective style at all, okay? You ever do your hair and you're like, I could stop right here because this is actually kind of cute. That was literally me. You could wear your hair like this, or you could even like nix the crochet part of it and just wear your natural hair. It would be so cute, but my hair is a little bit on the thinner side, and like I said, I'm trying to use up this hair, so that's why we're going with the crochet option. So for the crochet part of this, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. I would say I put it maybe like lower middle of where I'm going to be crocheting. Then I'm going to braid that and pin it down in a circle or a semicircle, whatever you want to call it. You can use any curly crochet hair that you want with this. I'm using this Mally bob hair. I had like 3 packs of it. I got it when one of the beauty supply stores was closing down, and I've been waiting to freaking install or use this up for the longest, so I'm happy that I get to use it here because it's just been taking up so much space in my hair closet. So the actual crochet portion is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to put the crochet needle through your hair, then put the crochet hair on the hook, close the hook, pull it back through your hair, take the crochet hook off, then make a knot with the crochet hair. If you want to make this last a little bit longer, you can do an actual knot where you just pull one side of the hair through the loop. I also feel like if you pull one side of the hair through the knot, it makes the hair kind of lay in a more fro-ish kind of situation. You're going to want to try to make each side as even as possible. Make sure to crochet over the braid, in between it, etc., so that it's fully covered even when the wind starts to blow. That is embarrassing. So make sure you're putting crochet hair on that braid and in between the braid and around the braid, just all over the braid. We don't want to see that braid, okay? When you get closer to the top, you're going to start using smaller pieces and do that first knot that I told you where you only put one side through the knot. This will make it look more realistic and look like it's just kind of growing out of your scalp. In total, I used about 2 3/4 of the pack. It looks super natural, really full, which is what I was going for. Now I'm putting my hair out the way because we're about to start shaping this little fro, and my hair and this hair looks very similar, and I did not want to cut my hair. Y'all know I have been there, done that, and yeah, we don't like that for us. So for me, I like a little bit of a heart shape, and I want to make sure I even out the back as well. When you're cutting, be careful not to pull the hair super straight and cut, especially if you're not used to cutting or if your crochet hair is extremely curly. This hair was more of like a blown out twist vibe, so technically it's already stretched. That's why you kind of see me pulling it a bit before cutting, but don't do that to curly hair because it's gonna obviously shrink back up and you're gonna be like, where did the hair go? All right, to tuck my twists away, I just rubber band them together at the back of my head. To top it off, we're gonna do these baby hairs and then put mousse on the twist and then tie that down before we go to bed. All right, face is clean. Let's see what this hair is looking like. All right, y'all, it's the next day, no makeup because the skin has been skidding lately, okay? For the very front, I'm gonna tease it with my edge brush so it looks a little more natural. And that is it, folks. That is the last step. I think this hairstyle is so cute. It was so easy to do. Took me no time at all. And it looks good for every occasion. Definitely try this out. Let me know if you try this down below. These are cute. Oh my God, I had these glasses. I'm about to get rid of these too. Wow. Me. Now I gotta find my own. So this is a look, guys. This is the final look. I think it looks super natural. I'm gonna turn to the back. Can't even see that I have a bun back here. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those down below. Of course, hit that subscribe button while you're at it and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Thumbs this video up if you like what you see and share this with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys. Y'all know the drill. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.